Welcome to the BouncifyPro installation guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to set up your BouncifyPro documentation site on a cPanel server using the domain bouncifypro.coderstm.com. Before we begin, ensure your server meets the following requirements: a VPS or dedicated server with root access, PHP version 8.3 or higher with required extensions, MySQL 5.7 or MariaDB 10.2 or higher. Copy the configuration files. Copy env.example to .env. Copy .htaccess.example to .htaccess. Next, upload the BouncifyPro files to your server's root directory. For cPanel, this is typically the public_HTML folder. Now, create a database using the cPanel Database Wizard. Go to the MySQL Database Wizard in your cPanel dashboard. Enter a name for your database, such as BouncifyPro. Create a database user and set a strong password. Assign the user to the database with all privileges. Make a note of the database name, username, and password for the next step. Now, navigate to your domain name.com/install to start the installation wizard. In step 1, the system will check your server requirements and directory permissions. Ensure all items display a green checkmark before proceeding. In step 2, configure your application settings. Enter your application name, admin email, and license key. Then, set up your database using the details from the cPanel database wizard. Database name. Enter the full database name. Database password. Enter the password you created. During step 3, the installer will create tables, import data, and configure settings. Once complete, you'll see a success screen with your admin login URL and credentials. Save this information before proceeding. Finally, refer to the post-installation guide for additional setup steps and best practices to ensure your site runs smoothly. Thank you for choosing BouncifyPro. For more guides and support, visit our website.